Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. This week we are going to enter the third term, first lesson, unit 1. Children, unit 1, first lesson, materials around us. What are the materials around us? Plants, animals, household things, earth, rock, etc. All the things around us. This week we are going to discuss about materials around us. Listen children. Unit 1, materials around us. What are the materials around us? Plants, animals, rocks, soil, household things, etc. Now we are going to discuss about hard words. Hard words. First one, natural material. Natural material. Natural. Natural material. Material. Natural material. That means natural renewable. For example, wind energy and solar energy. Next one, rocks and soil. Rocks and soil. ROCKS, rocks and 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 soil, SOIL, soil. Rocks and soil. Rocks means extremely strong stone. Extremely strong stone. And soil means the upper layer of the earth. Soil means the upper layer of the earth. Next one, coconut frond. Coconut frond. COCONUT. Coconut frond. FROND. Coconut frond. That means large leaf of palm or coconut tree. Large leaf of palm or coconut tree. Next one, man-made material. Man-made material. MAN. Man-made. MADE. Made material. MATERIALS. Materials. Man-made materials. That means things made by human by using their hands. For example, basket, furnitures, etc. Next one, strong material. Strong material. STRONG. Strong material. MATERIALS. Strong materials. That means nothing but hard material or substance that are found in the earth, which is used to make heavy machines, vessels and vehicles. Strong materials used for make machines, heavy machines, vessels and vehicles. Look here children. Sixth one, material. Material means things. MATERIALS. Materials means things. Next one, leather. LEATHER. Leather means material made from the skin of animal. Materials made from the skin of an animal. For example, leather jacket. Next one, metal. METAL. Metal means hard substances found in the earth. Hard substances found in the earth. For example, iron, gold, coal, etc. Next one, rubber. 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 Rubber means rubber is material is taken white sap of a tree. For example, slipper, mat, eraser, etc. Rubber is material taken white sap of a tree, rubber tree. Next one, wool. WOOL. Wool means animal fiber. Animal fiber. For example, sheep. Look here, children. Do you like oranges? Yes, I like very much. Have you seen oranges on the trees? The orange fruit says, "We are oranges. We grow on orange trees." Look here, children. Have you seen this wooden basket? How beautiful basket. See this? The basket said, "I am a basket. I am made of wood. Wood is got from trees." See this basket, wooden basket, how beautiful. Do you like, children? I like this basket very much. Nature is the source of all of them. For example, trees. From these natural sources, man made many materials. For example, wooden planks, which are used to make many other things. For example, wooden basket, wooden statue, wooden pen stand, wooden stand, carom board, etc. The sources of natural materials. The sources of natural materials from plants, animals, rocks and soil. From the plants we get logs, coconut front and cotton. From the animals we get leather, wool, etc. From the rocks and soils we get metal ores from the rocks and soil. Look here, children. The trees said, "For today's need you are cutting me, but for tomorrow's need plant more trees like me." The trees said. Will you do, children? Yes, very good. Plant more trees for tomorrow's need. Write A for animal, P for plant and M for metal sources of the given materials. Look here, children. First one, what is that? Logs. It comes from plant. So we should write P. See the second one. What is that? Plant. It is come from plant. So we write P. See the next one. Third one. What is that? That is wool. It is come from animal. So we should write A. See the down first one. What is that? That is a leather. It comes from animal. So we should write A. See the next one. That is a metal. So we should write M. See the last one. What is that? It is a coconut leaves. It comes from plant. So we should write P. Observe the pictures and fill in the blanks. Write the names of the man-made things from wood. What are the things from man-made? Shelf. S-H-E-L-F. Shelf. Second one, spoon. That is a wooden spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Last one, chair, wooden chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. These are the things from wood, man-made things. Second one, write the names of the man-made things from rubber. What are the things made from rubber? Look at the pictures. First one, rubber band. That is made from rubber. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber band. B-A-N-D, band, rubber band. It comes from rubber. Next one, cycle tube. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle tube. T-U-B-E. It made from rubber. Next one, mat. M-A-T, mat. It made from the rubber. Okay. Write the names of the man-made things from wood, shelf, spoon, chair. Second one, write the names of the man-made things from rubber, rubber band, cycle tube, mat. Look here children, why do we make windows and cupboards from wood? Why do we make windows and cupboards from wood? Listen, wood is a strong material. What type of material is wood? Wood is a strong material. So, furniture can be made from it. All the furniture can made from the wood only. It is a long lasting. What type of wood is? It is a long lasting. It can be cut into pieces and can be given different shapes. Wood can be cut into pieces and can be given different shapes. What types of shapes it gives? Chair, cupboard, window, etc. Look here children, next point, wooden pieces can be joined together to make many useful things. Wooden pieces can be joined together to make many useful things. From the natural sources, we get man-made materials. From the man-made materials, we get man-made things. Next topic is man-made materials. Using some tools, tree trunks are cut into wooden logs and planks. Next topic is man-made things. For example, toys, shelf, bench, chair, doors, windows, cupboard, etc. Look here children. Next topic is rubber. Do you know from what material your eraser is made? Do you know children? Yes, rubber is made from the sap. That means a milky substance of the rubber tree. Do you know children? Look here children, this is elastic. Come back to its original shape after being stretched. See here, look here children. Children, have you seen this? What is this? This is hand gloves. It is also waterproof, so hand gloves are made from rubber. This is waterproof, so does not allow water to enter inside. See this hand gloves, it is made from rubber. Look here children, what is this? This is paper. Where do we get this paper? We get this paper from wooden pulp. Wooden pulp. The following things are all made of rubber. For example, slipper, eraser, mat, ball, tire, etc. Listen children, today's homework. Why do we make windows and cupboards from wood? Why do we make windows and cupboards from wood? The answer is wood is a strong material. What material? Wood is a strong material. So, furniture can be made from it. So, furniture can be made from it. It is long lasting. It is long lasting. It is not damaged easily. It is not wasted easily. It is long lasting. It can be cut into pieces and can be given different shapes. What shapes? Different shapes. It can be cut into pieces and can be given different shapes. Last point, wooden pieces can be joined together to make useful things. Wooden pieces can be joined together to make useful things. Listen once again. Why do we make windows and cupboards from wood? Wood is a strong material. Wood is a strong material. So, furniture can be made from it. So, furniture can be made from it. It is long lasting. It is long lasting. It can be cut into pieces and can be given different shapes. It can be cut into pieces and can be given different shapes. Wooden pieces can be joined together to make useful things. Wooden pieces can be joined together to make useful things. Okay children, read question and answers carefully. Write answer only one time. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you children. So children, plant more trees. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Thank you children.